Scott Brinker, Hacking Marketing, Agile Practices to Make Marketing Smarter, Faster, and More Innovative. Welcome to the summary of Hacking Marketing, Agile Practices to Make Marketing Smarter, Faster, and More Innovative by Scott Brinker. This book explores how the digital age impacts marketing and how marketers can adapt by adopting agile practices, borrowed from software development. Key themes include shifting perspectives on digital marketing, understanding digital dynamics such as speed, adaptability, and scalability, and implementing agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban. By understanding and leveraging these ideas, you will learn to create a more innovative, responsive, and efficient marketing approach that evolves with the digital landscape.
The future of marketing. The world of marketing has drastically changed with the rise of digital devices and the internet. Marketers today need to apply the innovative spirit of software development to keep up with the times. Traditional methods of TV, radio, and print advertising are still relevant, but digital marketing has become the norm. Any company that treats digital marketing as a separate function is at risk of falling behind. It's time to embrace the future of marketing to stay ahead of the game. The 5 traits of digital dynamics. Digital dynamics are shaped by 5 essential traits: speed, adaptability, adjacency, scale, and precision. These traits allow for almost instantaneous communication, infinite adaptability of digital applications, travel between websites with ease, unlimited scalability of content, and precise tracking of digital activity. By adopting ideas used by software developers and IT, companies can apply digital dynamics to marketing strategies. This leads to more substantial digital advertising budgets, blurred lines between virtual and physical marketing, changes in non-digital business operations, influencer marketing, and the use of digital infrastructure and tools. Marketing success is now more attainable than ever before. The role of software in marketing. Today's marketing is driven by software, with marketers having to become creators themselves to understand how their software-dependent digital pipeline works. The virtual pipeline includes marketing software, search engines, social media sites, and digital device software. Marketers lead website creation projects, but software developers handle the technical aspects. As a result, marketing management has taken on software development management features, with agility, innovation, scalability, and talent being the essential components. Agile methodologies for marketing. Learn about the Scrum, Kanban, and Scrumban methodologies, as well as the lean startup concepts to optimize and streamline marketing strategies. Marketing campaigns in the modern age are moving at an alarming pace, and businesses worldwide must adapt to keep up or risk sinking. Enter Agile Management, a revolutionary response to speed, increase in scale, and volatility in the industry. Agile methodologies represent a departure from traditional hierarchical systems that favor predetermined plans and structures. Instead, they promote flexibility and collaboration in small teams, iterations, and adaptive cycles of product development. Scrum, Kanban, and Scrumban are unique agile methodologies that prioritize iterative work cycles called sprints. Scrum follows a transparent work log that users divide into sprint tasks. A Scrum team holds daily stand-up meetings to ensure that they stay on track. Kanban teams work within the company's existing structure, using a board that indicates tasks, workflows, and progress. Scrumban merges Scrum and Kanban, promoting transparency and flexibility. With daily meetings and sprint reviews, these methods enable individual stakeholders to make significant contributions to the project's success. Eric Rice's Lean Startup methodology is another agile marketing strategy that emphasizes building an MVP and using A/B tests to assess feasibility. Regular testing and analytics drive the decision-making process, ensuring a streamlined and optimized development cycle. With these agile methodologies, businesses can adapt, implement changes, and take informed steps to grow and elevate their marketing efforts. The effective sprint methodology for modern marketing teams. The sprint methodology is a powerful tool for modern marketing teams. It involves breaking big projects into smaller steps, handled in sprints. The first stage of the sprint is a planning meeting, where team members choose high-ranked tasks from the constantly updated backlog. During production, teams meet every day for a 15-minute daily scrum to discuss work status and potential impediments. After each sprint is completed, team members hold a sprint review to recognize efforts, share information, solicit feedback, and generate new ideas. The Kanban board provides a visual framework for tracking a sprint's tasks as they move through the work pipeline. Team members observe tasks as they progress in stages. This methodology offers a rapid response to changes in the market, allowing for feedback-based adjustments and the testing of new ideas. The speed of each sprint cycle accelerates decision-making, increasing the management metabolism. Unexpected developments are addressed by adding issues, ideas, and problems to the backlog, becoming part of the next planning session. The sprint process also allows the team to incorporate urgent issues into its current sprint without interfering with deadlines. In conclusion, the sprint methodology is an effective approach to managing marketing projects that keeps team members on track, improves communication, and increases productivity by ensuring that everyone is accountable for their own tasks. With the right balance of speed and strategy, it has the potential to turn digital dynamics in your favor. Agile Marketing. Agile management in marketing involves breaking down big ideas into smaller components, enabling iterative and incremental marketing. Iterations are changes made to an existing offering to improve performance, while increments are phases or stages of development. The software community coined the acronym RERO, release early, release often, which applies to marketing as well, in the form of MEMO, market early, market often. The speed of digital marketing makes releasing frequent increments a significant advantage. Marketers can test dozens of ideas and rely on data rather than instinct through small, low-cost tests. By creating modest versions of a product and garnering feedback from consumers through each increment, it becomes easier to plan the next steps. With agile marketing, even low-risk and low-cost ideas have the potential to turn into big successes. The power of big testing. Marketers can use digital adaptability to run risk-free A/B experiments, and big testing offers three concepts that promote a culture of creativity and experimentation. The first encourages innovative ideas that engage target marketing, the second fosters a big tent of ideas, and third, the upper management must offer support to make it an integral part of the company's culture in the digital age. As the world transforms daily, relationships between customers and businesses change with it, highlighting the importance of staying updated through testing and experimentation. Customer stories, a game changer. Learn how creating customer stories can help align your team's focus on buyers' needs and wants. By using a simple template, as a type of customer, I would like content or experience, so that benefit/reason why. You can prioritize your backlog and identify the most relevant marketing objectives for your customers. Say goodbye to subjective decision-making, and say hello to a customer-centric approach that drives growth and satisfaction. Whether you're a marketer or a product manager, customer stories will become your best friend. Agile teams and innovation. Successful marketing centers on innovation, which is achieved through agile teams and distributed leadership. These teams own their work and manage for outcomes rather than activities using transparent Kanban boards and continuous testing. While sprints provide flexibility, strategic leaders still set overall direction. Innovation must be ongoing to attract and delight customers, and firms should encourage everyone to contribute. Management supports innovation by granting teams the resources and time to create and develop new ideas. With a focus on customer experience at every touchpoint, agility and innovation are key to marketing success. Scaling marketing strategies. To achieve scalability in marketing, the dual bimodal IT approach from software developers has been adopted. This approach involves treating emerging innovations as the organization's edge and gradually moving newly scaled programs to its core. Bimodal marketing requires products to go through stages of research, prototyping, testing, and full production before maturity as part of the core marketing program. With the challenges of numerous touch points in the customer experience, increasing internal support and external reach are critical to ensure scalability. Tackling complexity in software development and marketing. In software development, accidental and essential complexity can hinder innovation and problem solving. Accidental complexity, created by human error, is minimized by agile and lean practices. Essential complexity, which arises from touch points, channels, customer preferences, and data analytics, can be reduced by being purposeful in innovation and avoiding over-engineering. This also applies to marketing, where deliberate decision-making is necessary to overcome essential complexity. Close down outdated systems and focus on relevant innovations to simplify marketing processes. Attracting talented marketers. Today's marketing thrives on talented people, and retaining them is a challenge. Digital marketers crave a stimulating environment where they can learn and have a sense of purpose. To entice top-notch professionals, companies must provide opportunities for growth, autonomy, and meaningful work.
In conclusion, Hacking Marketing by Scott Brinker reveals how modern marketing has evolved to become more software-driven, and hence benefits from agile practices used in software development. Core takeaways from this book include the importance of digital trends like speed, adaptability, and precision, embracing agile management methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, and both iterative and incremental marketing. Becoming familiar with big testing and maintaining a focus on innovation will help you delight customers and stay ahead of the competition. By incorporating these lessons in modern marketing, you will be better equipped to evolve and succeed in the ever-changing digital world.